Welcome. In this video, we'll go through how to protect your videos on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. This feature comes with the latest update, helping you control who can view or share the videos you upload to the platform. Let's get you started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Once the site loads, look toward the left-hand menu. You'll see several icons there. Click on the one labeled More. This will expand a menu with additional options you can adjust for your account. Next, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where all the important privacy controls are located for managing what people can see or interact with on your profile. Inside that menu, select Privacy and Safety. This section focuses on protecting your personal data, media, and overall account visibility. Now, under Privacy and Safety, click on Audience, Media, and Tagging. This part allows you to manage who can see your posts, whether others can tag you in media, and crucially, how your videos are displayed to the public. Look for the option that says Protect Your Videos. Right next to it, you'll see a checkbox. By checking this box, you'll make your uploaded videos visible only to approved followers rather than everyone on the platform. This is a great way to keep your content private and limit access to people you trust. After you check the box, your changes will save automatically. You'll notice a small message or indicator confirming that your videos are now protected. From this point on, only your followers will be able to see them, keeping your account secure and maintaining control over your media. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Protect Your Video setting on X's web version. This simple step ensures better privacy and gives a peace of mind knowing your content stays within your chosen audience. If you found this walkthrough helpful, consider exploring your other privacy options in the same settings area to further customize how you share and protect your content on X.